Hi, I'm 0reoCakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do some of the makeup that I usually do. The rest of the video is probably going to be muted. If I do a voiceover, I'll just explain little parts of what I'm doing. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye. So I'm kind of sick right now. and I totally forgot to post the result of the makeup after. But so I went out to eat, and it's been like 4 or 5 hours since I did my makeup, and I would say for the most part it looks good. Also, keep my hair, because I've been working on growing my hair out for the past, like, I feel like 1.5 years, and like, it's so healthy. And I don't know, I just feel good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way through, don't forget to like and survive. Yeah, like and survive, you guys. But yeah, have a great rest of your day or night or whatever. Bye.